Leadership by its very virtue is a role of responsibility. And why do I say that? Is because leaders make a difference and contribute to society. And they can do that by being a value-based organization or a value-based leader, someone who commits to a higher vision. A higher vision gives you the ability to reach to the pinnacle of your potential as an organization, as an individual. The higher your vision, like the Mount Everest, the higher is the landscape that you have to work with and collaborate on, design, all of that. A classic example is the Tata Group, which has contributed to India over the last 100+ years infinitely. It's in every industry that you can really think of, from the airline to the cars to salt. Tata name by itself talks of trust, reliability, value-based leadership, and that is what has carried down through that organization. Even through COVID, the Tata hotels were given up to the government to house and bed all the patients and people who needed to be in quarantine. Similarly, it is even in the bomb blast of 2008, Tata hotels, the Taj hotels, stood through together to actually bring every guest and team member out at the cost of themselves. And that is what Tata stand for, or that is what value-based leadership is all about. Can we be true to our values? Can we be true and integral, live with integrity? Can we really work with integrity and permeate that as a culture throughout the organization? That is when the whole organization is able to come together on the same way of working, thinking and behaving, and customers expect it, and when it gets same expectation gets delivered time and again, it becomes the brand of the organization or the brand of a leader. So in short, what is it that people are looking for at all times? Are you a leader who's reliable? Are you a leader who can be trusted? Can you innovate yourself time and again to sustain and go through the changes of time? Because an organization that has sustained through these 100+ years has to have been very, very innovative, to not just be task focused but be people focused, whether internally or externally. They recognize that people are their true asset, and it is through the people and with the people that they can grow and succeed. So in a nutshell, we've seen that throughout COVID, that it all comes down to our relationship with people, our relationship with values, and not just our relationship with profits.